What's going on YouTube? John at J&J here with a test video for L6JE402. This is a 2006 Jeep Commander. I'm trying to find the trim on it here. I know it's a 5.7 liter truck. I think it's a limited. We'll figure that out here in a second. 132,000 miles on it. She took a good hit to the front. The 5.7 liter Hemi though was not compromised. It still starts up. Cooling system is whacked though, so we're gonna not run it for too long. Truck has a very nice set of 18-inch wheels and tires that we're going to be selling. The chrome is in pretty good condition. This truck was very well taken care of. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but the paint has a lot of shine on it. This thing has been recently waxed. Show off the interior here. We're going to have all these door panels for sale. All of these seats here. The driver's side is not inventoried. It's got some heavy wear on it. The third row is folded down, but it is in good condition as well. Check the hatch for rust. Nice clean deck lid on this Jeep. Kind of hard to find in Northeast Ohio. There's the other side of the rear seat, rear door panel. Yeah, bear with me guys. This thing is just incredibly boring. It's hard to get excited about a Jeep Commander. Ooh, Mason left his phone in here. Now that could get exciting. You want to go through his texts? It's locked. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. 131,294 miles. As you guys can hear, the fan is rubbing. I'm gonna give it a couple of revs. Yep. I don't want to run that too long. I don't want to damage anything, but it did fire up. It's a good motor. It's just kind of pinched in there. Let's see if we can test out some of these navigation features. Let's get the climate control going. Let me turn the headlights on in this thing. Oh, oh. I got fire. We got fire in a test video, Lee. We got fire. What? We got fire. Something is smoking under the hood here, so we're gonna pull power off of it. Looks like that's gonna wrap up the test video for L6JE402, our smoking hot 2006 Jeep Commander. Sorry guys, just really trying to salvage this one. I've never had one start smoking in the middle of a test video. All the parts off this unit are going to be for sale on our website, www.jnjautoracking.com. You can give us a call at 800-425-1555. Man, I guess I'm glad we fired that motor up before she started burning. That makes 2 burnt cars in 1 week around here. Up next is our Maserati. If I can get it running, I can't. Anyways, guys, I'm John. Remember, rare does not always mean valuable.